This video shows how to set the media source for an image in MIGX. To demonstrate how it works, I have added 3 additional media sources: black, blue, and red. Pay attention to their IDs, as we will need them later. These media sources each point to a directory with the same name in the Assets folder. They contain images in their respective color. Let's add a new MIGX configuration with the name Team. We add a grid column for the field portrait and set the renderer to this.render image. Then we create the field portrait and set the input TV type to image. Save the config. We create a new TV and name it TV Team. We change the input type to MIGX and set the field configurations to the name of the MIGX config. Then we assign the TV to our template. When we don't specify any media source, the MODX default media source is used. To set a different media source, we edit the MIGX config. In the window for the field portrait, we open the tab Media Sources. 3 options are available: Config, TV, and MIGX. Config means that the media source is defined in this configuration. To specify the value, we click the Add Item button. We set Context to Web and Source to 2. 2 is the ID of the media source with the black images. When we add a new entry now in the resource, the file browser shows the images from the specified media source. The second option, MIGX, tells the code to use the media source from the MIGXdb for this field. To demonstrate it, we edit the template variable TV Team. In the tab Media Sources, we change the source to blue. Now this media source gets used when we add an item in the resource. The third option is TV. This only works if the field uses an actual TV. To demonstrate it, we clear the input field Input TV type and set Input TV to TV Portrait. Then we create a new TV with this name. We set the input type to image and the media source to red. Now in the resource, the media source from the image TV is used. I added a second MIGX configuration for a custom manager page with MIGXdb. With a CMP, you can't use the option MIGX. The best option to define the media source is config. Make sure to add an entry for the context manager as well. Otherwise, the image renderer and the grid won't work correctly. In the CMP, the specified media source is now used for the portrait field. To output the data from the custom database table, we change the resource content. We comment out the getImageList call and instead use MIGX loop collection to output the data. We can see that this doesn't work correctly. According to this web page, right now MIGX loop collection is not aware of used media sources for images in the config. To fix it, we can either hardcode the missing media source base URL in the template chunk, or use an output modifier as described here. We copy the code. Then in the manager, we create a new snippet with the name add media source path and enter the code. If you are using MODX 3, change the code to use the fully qualified class name. Then in the resource content, we add the output modifier to the image placeholder with the correct media source ID as the parameter. Now the image gets output correctly. In the MIGX configuration, in the tab Settings, there also exists the field Media Source ID. This field's value is only used when files are uploaded with MIGX or data is imported. As an example, let's set the field to 2 and add the action button Import CSV MIGX. Now when we click the Import CSV button, the MODX browser shows the media source with the ID 2.